Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to secure your smart home devices from cyber attack. So here are some tips and tricks. You will be just search in the laptop for the firewall. So I will just tap on it. So basically firewall is a network protection. So you will just have to access your network. So I will just choose the public network and make sure it will be just turn it on and active for the defender firewall. And the second thing is that you will just also tick it from the block all incoming connections, including those in the list of allowed apps. So it will just also protect you from the cyber attacks. So the second thing is that you will be just download any of VPN. So because a VPN can add encryption to your smart home connection. So I will be just download this the hotspot shield VPN. This is the Wi-Fi proxy and it is free. There is no subscription compulsory. So make sure you will be just download on your PC or your mobile if you just block the cyber attacks. So that's it. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.